Installing a battery pack. Tools. Personal protective equipment. Open the ESS cabinet doors. Requirements on an OT or DT terminal. Connect the PE cable for the ESS. Install the rack-mounted fire extinguishing system. Connect cables based on the cable labels and port silk screens. Connect cables to IN, 12 volt, and GND from left to right. Engineering installation kit. Install the kit onto the forklift tines. Tighten the screws on both sides. Assemble the shovel pan and install the protective plate. Install the lifting handles and move the battery pack onto the kit. Install the shovel pan. Insert the positioning pin and install the binding strap to secure the battery pack. Lift the battery pack to the corresponding position and remove the binding strap. Loosen the T-shaped bolts on both sides. Pull out the drawer, and tighten the T-shaped bolts again. Install the distance blocks and remove the positioning pin. Push the battery pack onto the drawer and adjust the height of the kit. Push the battery pack into the installation slot. Remove the distance blocks. Push in the drawer, tighten the T-shaped bolts, and remove the forklift. Remove the shovel pan and protective plate. Secure the battery pack. Install the air channel plates. After the installation is complete, remove the kit and put it back to the packing case.